Huwag niyo pipitasan ang screen ng phone ko hindi naman ito ang main character na video na to. Ganito kalakas ang volume ng phone ko kapag built-in speaker ang gamit. Pero with Hainar induction speaker, music lover ka rin ba? O mahilig manood ng series, movies, at TikTok marathon? Get ready to turn off the vibe! Kasi, Hainar wireless induction speaker got you covered! Ito ay induction, Bluetooth, dual mode speaker powered by Dolby Digital Advanced. Kaya naman enjoy ang crystal clear and powerful sound. Wireless pa! Meron itong colorful ambient lighting, pampagood vibes habang nakikinig ka. Pwede rin gawing alternative lamp for a dim, romantic, and intimate moment. Ay! Di ka ganon! 360-degree rotating din ang phone stand nito. Perfect para sa bench watching or hands-free viewing. May non-slip pad, secure at stable. Kaya naman say goodbye sa laglag anxiety. Compatible sa Android, Apple, at tablet. Kahit anong phone mo, connect! Connect me if I'm wrong! Very static kaya perfect kahit saang parte ng bahay. Sa kitchen, sa bedroom side table, corridor, shura, coffee table, even inside the bathroom. Para feel ang music habang naliligo. Portable kaya perfect dalhin sa jamming sessions, movie marathon, beach, picnic, parks, travels, at kahit sa bundok pa. Just place your phone on top. Boom! Instant amplified sound kahit walang cable. Stylish, portable, easy to use. Hainar wireless speaker. Astig sa tunog, astig sa style. Umorder ka na and make every moment sound Hainar amazing. Check the comment section para sa link.